Hello and welcome to this episode. Here I am sharing my latest script. I create an alternative piece. So this is a chart, quantitative chart. See, the stock has been in uptrend for a while. There is from one of March 2026. It has been an uptrend. Uh, see, I entered from this zone. This 630 level. Mm, Let me take it to one more time. This one more time. It supported from this zone, bounce back, took support, and bounce back. So first I did exit from this level, and exited at this level, and I was waiting for reaction to this from this level. That is this green shade is zone. It came down and took reaction. Why I chose this zone is because see, this is the previous resistance zone before taking on this high. One, twice, three times. It rejected from this level. So after taking out this high, it is around 345 level. It reached up to this 678 level. So exited from this level and trade here. This level came down to reaction. Once again, bounce back and I mean once again it'll try to take the price down further, but it failed. Second time it went down, it failed. Third time there's a green bullish candle. So on there is third second one way I went for more confirmation to my entry. So this is my confirmation. Error. Will one fail once, twice fail, third came in this big bullish green candle. So I enter from this zone after this 4 hour green bullish candle. So this is my entry zone. My stop loss is right below this level. There is 600 starting level. My entry is 633 level. And my targets this is my initial target. I mean, it was my initial target. It is 793 level, and this was my second level, my last target. Let me show you how I pick this level. It's also behind it. See, this is one thing. This was my initial target. Then 790 levels, and this is my second target, my last target. But because this is huge resistance zone, see, there's a lot of resistance here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I chose this level as my last target. I entered on Thursday, May 26, Thursday 21 May 2026, and exit on Friday, that is 29 May. I exited around 855 level. So this is the logic behind my entry and exit. For this month, I made around 10.1 million. That is approximately 101% return doing swing trading. So, guys, this is it. Hope you enjoyed my video and thank you for watching.